Hello, I'm Arthi, and this is my presentation on my project, Piston Cup Online Racing. My goal in this project is to create an online racing game that was a combination of PvP and PvE that you could play with your friends over the internet. I used Unity to build a track in which players and NPCs could race each other, complete with speed boosts and a finish line. I also created a title screen in which you can enter a username and choose a car to play as, and then join or host a game. I used statements, variables, and finding to make my cars move along the track, and in order to connect, I used networking software by a third party called Mirror. I tested about 20 to 30 times. The tests were to make sure that the networking element was functioning, and a handful dedicated to making the drop-down menu on the title screen switch the car. The current version of P-Core, which is what I've been calling it, you can only play with people over your local network, but I wanted to make it so the game can connect you to a server and you can join your friends over that server so they don't have to grab their computer, bring it to your house, and connect to your Wi-Fi in order to play with you. And microtransactions would also be very beneficial to the game and my bank account. Here, let me show you the game. Alright, so as you can see, you can enter a username. And you can choose a car, blue car, green car, orange car, yellow car. And you can choose whether you want to have a motorcycle that color or not. So I'm going to go orange car, play. I'm going to host a server and I'm going to click ready. And you can race around the track. And these little cars are all bots. You can use the chevrons, I've been calling them. You can drive over it and it'll boost your speed for a little bit. And then so how do I guess I have to redo that then if I want to go to join. So also join servers too, but of course it's not working because there is no servers to join right now. So get it ready. You can race and your friends can join the game by going to the join button and selecting which server they want to join. And they'll spawn right about here. That's where new players spawn in once the game starts. Any questions? Okay, good. Any questions?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, what's the question?
What would you say? What new thing did you learn by making this game?
Well, I learned a lot about the network factor that goes into making these games. It's a lot more complicated than I thought.
Okay.
And I also learned a little bit about pathfinding, although I only was able to learn a little bit about it because I did not start this class. I hadn't started this class yet when you guys were working on the pathfinding, so I wasn't able to code that. But I was able to learn a little bit about it just seeing the code.
Okay, sounds good. Does anyone else have any questions? All right, sounds good. Thank you. Let me stop recording.